You want cracker? You want to do any more jumping? You can do some more jumping?
What does it all mean? Means we got an IBM Blade Center. Smartest way to optimize our IT. Easier to deploy, more flexible. We don't have those cables anymore.
You can do some more jumping?
The IBM Blade Center and quad-core Intel Xeon processor.
That was a good jump. Very good. Good jumping. You want to do more? Yeah, go ahead. You can do more. Good. Yeah, very good.
Dad.
What are you looking for?
Dad.
What do you want?